Many times when programming paths, you realize you've made a mistake, like leaving too much space between moves, the moves are positioned too far to one side, or the brush is positioned too high when coding. For these problems, the translation tool will fix it quickly. Use the translation tool by clicking the move and repositioning it to its new location. To change multiple moves, select the first move, hold Shift, select the last move, and reposition it to its new location. To translate by a precise amount of millimeters, or just the Z value, you can right-click on a move or moves and select Translate. The X value adjusts left and right. For example, entering -5 will adjust the move 5 millimeters to the left. Entering +5 will adjust the move 5 millimeters to the right. The values entered into the translation tool are relative to the path you originally created. The blue line shows the new position. The red line shows the previous one. Click Finish to save. The Y value adjusts the moves back and forward. Entering a -5 will adjust the move 5 millimeters back. A +5 will adjust the move 5 millimeters forward. The Z value adjusts the brush up and down. The translation tool is extremely helpful when you realize the brush is too high or too low on the entire board. Entering a negative number will move the brush down. Entering a positive number will move the brush up. The points will turn purple to show that the Z value is raised.